Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this 2-pack of Tagless T-shirts by Hanes, but it's a collaboration with Supreme. So this is what the package looks like. This is in the bright, vibrant, fluorescent yellow color. You know, gotta match the boxer briefs that I unboxed in the last unboxing video. Let's check this out. Wow, so bright, so vibrant. Perfect for summer days. Check it out, check it out. Separate the two shirts. So, fluorescent yellow, Hanes Comfort Soft, Supreme tag, medium. Then the other logo they have is on the bottom left when you're wearing it. Supreme down here. It's high quality, doesn't rub off or anything. Yeah, let me know what you think of these shirts in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.